Welcome to how to use the What If periodic function in ES Optimizer. You will need to navigate to the Special Function tab and select the What If menu item. You notice that the periodic is the secondary tab in the What If menu. The big difference between the periodic and the daily tab is the periodic is the projects that are assigned in ES Optimizer. So much like the daily, the big difference is there are 5 preset levels of service or projects in ES Optimizer. So you can see that our current project level is set to standard, as indicated by the radio button. And you notice that we can optionally apply show place, premium, economy, or bare bones settings just like we can in the daily. And we can do that globally to every room in the database. We can filter the rooms, as we did in the daily tab as well. And we can apply any level to any other level and make it by room type. So we could select several room types, for example, take whatever level they are and move them to a different level. The most frequently used option is applying it globally. In this case, let's move to economy. And then let's move to step 2 and select the buildings that we want to apply the new frequencies to. So for example, we could simply select, let's move the West Tower to economy and see what that would look like. You notice that now we are applying this globally to economy, and we are just viewing, the rooms are filtered. We can view the filter to just the West Tower. And then we can move to step 3, which is print the What If report, so we can take a look to see if that's what we'd like to do. You notice we get our dialog box, which goes through the database, applies the changes, and then will show us the report. And here's our dialog box explaining that we are able to view the report now, which we are going to do. And this is the What If periodic report for the rooms. In this case, you notice that here's the room in question. Here are the projects: bonnet cleaning, shampooing, wall washing, etc. Here's how much time it used to take. And here's how much time it's going to take. So in this case, looks like several of the rooms anyway are going up initially in time. Here are public lobbies, which are dropping in time, which would be normal. You can see this is 7 pages long, so you have the option to save it to a file, print it, or anything you'd like to do. When you've finished with reviewing the report, you can close the report and then return to make the decision should you want to execute the changes to your data. If you click the Execute Changes or Step 4 button, you will be prompted one last time. Do you want to make this changes to all of the data in your database, in this case the West Tower? And if you say yes, it will go through and apply the changes that you've seen in the report. And that's really all there is to using the What If periodic module in ES Optimizer. Have a great day.